Eh, انت شاف يشرب صديقي ها؟ مشكل. بكره مشكل انت، ولا انا؟ انت ما بيشرب بكره مشكل. ايه؟ Eh? No have time, no have time. Yes. Good afternoon. We are here from Tau Kamapi Triskelion Grand Fraternity, Triskelion Supreme Council, State of Qatar, Batangas chapter. We are here now to provide our iftar project, Share a Meal. Okay, so this year it will be given to basic elements people. Okay, so before we start, we will have a prayer, Muslim prayer, with our Muslim brother here.
Waalaikumsalam. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Arrahmanirrahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim.
Next will be opening remarks from our Grand Triskelion, G.T. Mariel.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Distinguished guests, respected members, and dear friends. It is with great joy and gratitude that we gather here today to celebrate the 6 years of our Ramadan Share a Meal project. This annual event has grown to become a cherished tradition in our Batangas Triskelion State of Qatar community. Each year, it fills our hearts with warmth to be able to come together during this blessed month and share a meal with those in need. Ramadan is not just a time of abstain from food and drinks. It is a time for reflection, spiritual growth, and connection with one another. It is a time for us to purify our hearts, practice self-discipline, and extend an act of kindness and generosity. This project is a reflection of that spirit where we come together, not just to share a meal, but to share in the spirit of empathy, compassion, and solidarity with our brothers and sisters in need. As we partake in this sacred month, let us remember that every meal shared, every act, and every moment of protection carries the potential to transform lives, including our own Ramadan, is invited to connect with our deeper purpose, to give selflessly and to grow spiritually in the process. I pray that this Ramadan brings you all meaningful moments of reflection, carries the potential to transform lives, including our own Ramadan. I pray that this Ramadan brings you all meaningful moments of reflection, growth, and positive transformation. May our collective effort bring light and hope to those who need it most. Together, let us look take it toward a better place, one act of kindness at a time.